Hey there, Dedham parents. Angela Cimenta here from the Dedham Youth Commission, and I'm here to tell you about my new show for you, Parenting 2020. Parenting 2020 is a show where you as a parent can learn about the latest trends and happenings pertaining to youth. I mean, topics such as vaping and that new Netflix movie that's out there, 13 Reasons Why. I mean, parents, we're also going to be talking about mental health topics that are important, such as depression and anxiety. And, oftentimes I get, questions from you parents about, well, when is the best time to allow my child to have a cell phone? So we're going to be talking about all of that. And, parents, I should say too that there are tons of workshops and trainings that happen in the community and outside of the community. I mean, in the neighboring communities. And they're free. So parents, guess what? We're going to be covering all of that through Parenting 2020 and much, much more. But don't worry, parents. Parenting 2020 is not all about the kids. There's a little something special for you too, parents. Through the show, I'm going to talk to you about how you as a parent can take care of you. Because let's be real, sometimes parenting is just not all that easy. Finally, a little me time. I'm so excited to be of service to you. New episodes of Parenting 2020 airs every first and third Wednesday of the month and can be seen on the Dedham Youth Commission Facebook page. Episodes can also be seen on the show's website. I'll just plug the information right here. No, I was just waiting for you to write it down. Oh, you got it? Great. So parents, guess what? You can watch the first episode of Parenting 2020 on the Dedham Youth Commission Facebook page on the third Wednesday of this month, October. I'm going to be talking to you about ways that you can help your child succeed in school. I'll also include different things on the Facebook page, like different articles, that type of thing. Parents, guess what? You're not going to want to miss any of this. Parents, stay tuned. I got so much for you. See you soon.